Hi guys, I am excited about today's video. So, have you all seen the ads maybe somewhere either on Facebook or some other social media about the boob tape? So I saw it, I was kind of skeptical thinking, yeah, I don't really know about that. So after seeing it so many times, I broke down and I ordered some and they came in. So I'm excited. So first they came in a little envelope like this. Says boob tape. It's a cute little pink vinyl kind of envelope. Um, let's see what else is in there. So they have your adhesives. They come with like 6 of them. Looking at them, they don't look like they're all that big. Um, I don't know if they're gonna fit me. Remember, I'm a 44F, so very kind of large. Just that I'm not completely sure if I got the right size. I thought I was getting the bigger ones, but I'm not sure. Hopefully they have some bigger ones if I need to go bigger. But I am happy about the color. I'm brown skinned, so nude and some of the other colors don't really work for me. So I'm happy that they have this kind of caramel brown for us brown skinned girls. The back of it, you can see that's the adhesive where you would just kind of peel it off just a little bit. You'll peel it off kind of like a band-aid. Um, you put the bottom of it maybe underneath your nipple and then you pull up to where you want it and it's supposed to stay in place. It also comes with pasties. So you definitely want to use the pasties. Because if you don't, when you get ready to take them off, it's going to feel like if you've got your lip wax or your eyebrow wax or even your JJ wax, and when the lady rips the paper off, that's what this would feel like if you put these on without using the pasties. Bad situation, you don't want that. So you definitely want to use the pasties. They came with about 6 of these as well. So yeah, I'm kind of skeptical. I don't know if they're gonna work. Like I said, not having a whole lot of confidence in this holding me up. But I want to try it. I'll try anything once. So have you all used them before? If you have, comment below. Let me know. Did you like them? If you didn't like them, did they work? Did they hold you up? How long did they lift you up? I've heard some good testimonials about it, but only way to know is to find out for myself. So I'm gonna try them on, not on camera, of course, but I'll do another video, try them on, and let you know if they work or if I feel like I wasted. I think I paid about $25 or $30 for these. So stay tuned, and I will be back with my review. Y'all, so they do work. So I got them on one side and I wanted to kind of just do one so you can see the difference. You see the difference between this and this? I feel like I got an instant breast lift without paying thousands of dollars and getting plastic surgery. Now I did have to use 2 because I am so big. I had to use one for like the front end to get the side coverage. But it feels good. It looks so much better than this side. I'm bouncing around. I like it. I was real skeptical at first. I was unsure, but Boob Tape has made a believer out of me. Definitely going to be ordering some more. Just look at the difference. I mean, look how drooped down I am over here. And I actually got some lift over here. Like, I don't even remember seeing myself looking like this. Like, I can't quit looking at myself. But I like them. So, like I said, let me know what your experience was. I love them. Gonna go get me some more. And yeah, Boob Tape. You alright with me? I'm gonna do the other side now because this looks so good. So I can't wait to go see what they both look like. But yeah. Pretty good. Good job.